Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to format uh, Windows 10 in the laptop Dell. So I have a bootable USB. You can make bootable from Google. Download here software name is Windows Media Creator Tools, and then you can make bootable USB. So I have bootable here, and now I will plug this laptop, and this laptop have Windows 7. Now I will upgrade to Windows 10. So maybe this laptop BIOS version is only legacy. I will check now if I have the UEF boot is better than legacy. So I press power button and press F2 for going to boot menu. Okay, F2 for setup. So I will go to F2, and you can see here is the BIOS option. So I go to the here, you can see SATA, okay, and then security, and then go to boot, and here is the both of option have UEF and the legacy. So boot option there is legacy boot. I will make disable. Okay, here I make UEF boot. So UEF boot is faster than legacy. So I go to the exit, saving change and exit, and now I press F12 for boot option, and now coming boot, and you can see here is guys the hard disk CD drive, the other option, no bootable device here change. So I go to down, changing boot mode settings, and I change here to UEF boot and press enter, and now we'll booting from UEFI booting Windows. You can see here also not finding the booting option, so I change the USB port. Now again I go to the boot option, and you can see here is the secure boot is enabled, so I have to make disable the secure boot, and then you can see legacy boot is disabled, and then last boot option UEF boot is enabled, and this option is okay for booting the legacy to UEF Windows. And now I press again F12, and now coming boot option. I hope this boot will be work, and you can see guys now UEF boot Kingston is enabled. You can see guys, now you can install USB boot, and you can see Windows 64-bit is installing, and now you can see here is the boot option is English, and press next and install now. So if you install UEF boot Windows, it is very fast and good, strong security. And now I don't have product key. If you have product key, you type here, and I press here the Windows Pro, and then next, and then I accept, and then custom install, and delete all the partition, make new partition. If you change the boot from legacy to UEF boot, you have to delete all the partition, otherwise you can't install the Windows. So I deleting all the partition. This is little bit old model laptop, and there have 500 GBs for hard disk. I make the 150 GBs for Windows and other for data. So you can see it is changing the partition now, and now we can install Windows easily. And I go to the third partition and press next. Now installing Windows on this laptop. So this way you can change the BIOS for this Dell laptop. Is Dell 5000 series, and all the old model laptop have same BIOS. You have to settings legacy to UEF, and after that you make a USB bootable device download the uh, bootable software from Google Media Creator Tools, and you can make the USB bootable. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and like, share and subscribe my channel. After an install, you can open the laptop easily. It's working perfectly.